I swear to God. I couldn't say the N-word, you're right. Bro, I remember last time whenever I started streaming, bro, I was dog. I had the worst luck ever. Even though on my first like game, I got like 12 kills.
That you uploaded like recently.
Yeah, yesterday. Dude, I know. I don't know why. Like my friend mentioned it too, but it's because I have bad luck. No, that's how I built. Like I'm just like built like a streamer.
Go live now. Hey, yo, I'm live.
Can you start the rebirth?
Can you start up before I rip your nuts off? Can we just play some rebirth?
I don't know what to eat. No, some hot dog. Make me some hot dog.
Dang, you idiot.
Hot dog. Hot dog.
Someone, Tassi. Bro, Tassi. You need to not.
What other one?
The car 98 uses it.
What? Okay. Oh, by the way, I use it every day.
Yeah, bro. You use it
Nothing.
every day of the month?
Yes, basically.
Start yelling the N-word. No. Huh?
Better not.
What? Wait, what?
Can you just go to the Domino's and buy some bread? Who's that?
I'll buy some bread.
It's hot. I mean, it's cold. He needs to open his door. That's what I'm saying. It's cold up here, hot in there. I wish I had good internet. Bird, here's hard, bird, name it for the no, I'm on a wow. Bitch, get up.
Holding for deployment. Take this time to ready up.
Who will fart in your balls? Who will fart in your balls? Yo, okay. Bro, y'all need to try the Diamante. What the hell? Dude, the Diamante akimbo? What just happened to my game? Bro, why did he back out? Oh my god. I'm trying to play a game. Y'all don't want to start the game. Bro, why'd you back out?
Bro, why'd you pull us out? The game was muted and I can't hear y'all. Sorry, I want to actually going on.
Because maybe you just should have waited until the game started. If the game started, you could have pulled us. But you just wanted to wait until the pregame lobby.
Well, I didn't know. I'm turning off my stream. I'm done.
You were streaming?
Yeah,
What's the point of turning on your stream in the first place?
Because I messed it up. I messed it up.
Bro, you messed up mine.
Hey, you're streaming?
Yeah, I told you like 50 times. If you rickroll the freaking stream, then I swear I'm never playing with you again. Cause I know you have your phone of yours. I know it. Don't you dare rickroll.
Oh, bro, my favorite band is Imagine Dragons.
Imagine Dragons, look!
Posse Barber.
Slaman.
Check weapons and gear. You got time before deployment.
Tossie, I heard. What did he say? Oh, where do I get to go? Well, it's just us. And this is not even here.
Watch the sky.
Oh, someone's on my stream. I wonder who it is.
MP7 still got me.
We're playing with mods. Why is that thing so big, but the little freaking bot is so tiny? Oh, under the sea, under the sea. Under the sea, under the sea,
Enough training.
under the sea.
Now you fight a real enemy.
Where's OJC?
I have no idea, but we're fighting.
Oh,
We're
well,
starting.
too late. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Y'all know the rest of them be. You are on me. You are lucky.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
You are with me, so we go kill. Oh, look at me. Stop watching my
Okay,
stream.
I know where. Like, I think I
You
know.
little piece of meat.
Proceed to the safe zone.
You are so dumb. You are so dumb. Eat my bum.
You know all the
Any point-worthy action.
Oh,
Return them to
wait.
combat
I want that. I
quicker.
want that. I want that.
Execute
Blueprint.
all targets in
No,
the AO.
it used to. Dude, that blueprint is so OP.
Oh my god.
I have
Okay,
that
you wanna
gun.
leave?
That's the gun that I have. No, I don't want to leave.
Hey, I forgot what gun is that?
I forgot what FFAR. I think it was FFAR. That's the gun that I have. And I'm pretty sure I have a fire version. Or if it's a different version. Or it's a different gun, but I'm pretty sure. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea.
SMG mark.
Oh, you got a well gun? I feel like well guns are kind of it's decent. But I'm gonna grab it anyways because I can.
SMG mark.
Posse, look at this gun.
Yeah, I have a Bison.
No recoil.
Enemy UAV active.
It's decent. It's not my thing though. Bisons are kind of dog in the game.
They are kind of dog in there, though. You're not gonna pick up the freaking thing I just showed you? It's just smoke ring?
Nah, you know what I'm gonna get? You already know what I got, brother? Yeah. I got a boom boom. I got a doof doo. I got the doof doo. Doof doo, doof doo, doof doo. It's not the actual name, but doof doo, doof doo. Yo, let me pack a punch my gun. I'm gonna pack a punch my gun. From Black
Here's my
Ops 4.
money. Come here.
You have no money.
Enemy
You're broke.
UAV active.
We need a few $1,000. Oh, no, what's this over here?
We need $2,000. Murgo.
Actually, we need only 1,000 something.
Oh my god, we're gonna need to get me some surgery. Oh, you're gay. There's two people there. Wait.
Oh, stop camping!
You're dead.
Why? Why do you camp?
Okay, I'm not actually.
Well, we'll be back to finish this.
What the heck happened to my game? Under the sea. Under the sea. Me and your mother making your brother under. Wait, no. I'm gonna have to go at 6. Yo, did you know I actually started flag football, brother?
Oh, did you play your first game?
No, cause I wasn't here on Saturday.
Oh wow.
But we barely have practice. It's only Monday and Thursday, and today's Thursday, so you know what that means.
Oh, so you have practice at 6.
Yeah. Exact time that Percy goes. Bro, look at absolute 0 reactive mastercraft. Wait, what is this? SMG. No, I don't want to hear it.
What gun were you using?
What gun is this?
The FAL, right?
FFAR, not the FFAL. It's FFAR.
FFAR1?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the one that I use.
Yo, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, if you say it's good.
Bro, look at STG-44. I don't know how I got that on level 66.
It's just that we just grab it and we shoot.
Carbon steel destroys. Yeah. Where's OJC? I don't even care. He's never been talking for the last 5 minutes. I love you, baby, and I miss you, baby. Whoa, what are you watching, baby?
Check your gear and weapons. We go soon.
I think I'm using the CG44. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really need it. I'm gonna get the FFAR.
Oh, this has got me.
So dog.
That gun is got me, bro. Bro, that gun is so good.
Yeah, what else? I told you it was a good gun. Told you it was a good gun.
I never knew it was like godly though, bro.
Yeah, I told you. It's really good.
Like a guy he shot me and he knew I was there. The
Now you're dead.
F1?
Yes.
Yeah. And the one still got me, bro. Whoa. That's a little recoil. A little
I just got finished with my FFAR loadout. But I remember FFAR, I think it had fire rounds, but cause I remember my dad got it, but I just don't know how to.
I want it, so I'm gonna go get it.
But I don't know how he did it. But it destroyed. I think they might have removed it because it's OPAF. So like.
Grab the Swiss, okay? I'm gonna grab the Swiss.
The Swiss.
Y'all have to follow me, I'm doing
I don't know, I'm gonna go get the MP7. Or is it a Mac 10 or MP7? I don't know. Thank you, brother. Thank you. That's what happens when you leave us.
Get you to sit up there and look at the game.
UAV active.
Bro, what did he do to you?
I could have killed him.
If I had a headshot like that, bro.
It
technically a sniper up close to the face. That's not really think so, buddy. No, it's because he doesn't. It doesn't make sense.
Hey, Drew, if you want a self-revive kit, it's over here.
Yeah, you think I ain't coming back?
Ooh, I really would take that, but I already have this blueprint.
Go tell your teammates to stop camping.
Damn. Oh, Drew, just get over here. Don't even worry about the Swiss.
No, I'm killing these kids. I'm killing these kids.
Drew, all you have is Diamati. Oh, actually, Diamati actually kind of destroys. Yeah, you can go kill him if you want. Diamati destroys. Only if you know how to aim. But pretty sure you don't. But
oh
yeah,
my
you
God.
can just try.
Everybody up here is dead, my guys.
For real? Damn, they dead to me.
Legit, I just got the biggest payoff in my life. I don't even know how to get up to you, bro.
I already got loaded out by myself. But you hear that by myself.
Hunt them down.
Good for you. Good for you.
Like, I'm actually dog water, kid. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just really good at the game, bro. I want to try this gun.
Bro, I have all freaking blueprints. I have only blueprints.
Nice. You can grab this MP7 blueprint. I think it's an MP7. If you want it.
This is so good.
I got the freaking Type 100 over here. Dang. Dude, just get your loadout. Just go get your loadout, Drew.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my loadout. I just died, so no.
Bro, I have a Kimbo Cyclops. You hear this? Oh my.
You're losing ground. Move
What does that smell? Cause it smells good. It
Reinforcements
smells
are on
food.
the way.
Bro, this is hilarious. That's fun, bro. This guy's not really under 35 people. They're on the front.
Where they running? Where they at? Oh, they're
You
right
made
here.
the top 25. Nearly there.
Oh, that's 25 round mag?
Under hostage.
That means you're gonna have to really get your shots if you wanna lose. Right?
Oh god, this is so bad at freaking. There's so much recoil on this crap.
The SFAR, it has zero. What do you mean?
What the
No,
frick?
it has a low. Well, to me it's zero. Just press your joystick, hold it down, and then no recoil. Boom. It's somebody talking to horn. Man, I don't care for him. They can have whatever they want. Yeah, just press your. It doesn't even have any recoil. What are you talking about?
Your dog water, kid. Your dog water.
Did you see Bossy go over here becoming a god?
Told you every time I'm on my first game, I'm going god mode.
Little camper! Bossy, start reviving me.
I can't when I'm dead, Drew.
Get down.
Oh my god, how do you die?
I thought y'all got him a little weak.
No!
Next time.
I couldn't get him a little weak.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I don't feel like using my FFAR. No. I want to use my railgun. I want to use a railgun. Recoil in that is no. There's like no recoil. Like it's the best.
Just press your joystick a teeny tiny bit down, and then boom. No recoil mode.
No, you don't even have to shoot at someone's head, then you're dead. Or then they're dead. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, get off your phone and play the game. What's the point of getting on your phone when you're not even gonna play the game? Your gameplay. Play gameplay. Big brain. It's big brain time, brother.
Use this time to train away to deploy the
Oh, hold on, guys. I want to see if I can find.
Make them keep connected to each other every second.
But the ammo capacity is low-key kind of dog. Not gonna lie.
It has a 50 round mag.
I'm trying to grow out.
Pretty good. I'm trying to find.
I'm trying out new guns.
Maybe it's a different gun. Maybe it's not the FFAR that has the.
training's over. Time to see
Does
what
it
you've
have
learned.
the fire? I really want to find the gun that my dad had because it had fire, but I think they might have. Did you just back it out? Oh, I think you just backed it. Because he had fire and that thing destroyed. Because that was literal fire. What the heck? Drew, I'm gonna ban you from TikTok. Oh no, I'm gonna ban you from Fortnite. Fortnite kid.
Resurgence.
Hey, let's go to. Drew, I really don't wanna go over here.
It's not my hands, it's not my body.
Targets are up.
I did not pick this thing up. I'm lagging. I'm really I'm lagging bad. True, you're stealing my internet again. Not another time. Not another time. Not the time for you stealing my internet, Drew.
Where you at? Here's my stand. 32 kills?
Thank you.
Bro, give me I said sting.
Oh, the stun is actually pretty good.
Oh, okay.
Drew, it's not the time for you stealing my internet. Like I said. Oh, I just got to type 100.
My main SMG.
I can't move at all. Thank you for the cross.
Are on the way.
Bro, all these people speak different languages. Yeah, bro, we got into that where everybody speaks a different language.
Your dog, buddy. Help me. They're coming after me. They're coming.
Supply box.
Posse, give me my gun back.
No, I don't even have it. What do you mean?
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yeah. Did you see fighting? You're cap in the distance. Yeah. I lasered someone.
I can't do anything when I'm lagging. I got a car 98K. That's mine.
Hey, G. You're welcome, Posse. I know you're gonna kill kids with that. It's this. I mean,
Oh, you know I will.
Oh, I'm so laggy right now. Oh my god.
Drew, yeah, thank you for taking your internet back. Oh my god, now I'm still lagging.
Yeah, we're all back to
Well, I guess you're gonna get us all killed.
What in the world?
Oh, you're
Why
up
just spawn
there.
like the best gun and gun and
Enemy
stuff? Like he
UAV
spawns with the best gun for like ground loot and stuff.
Enemy dropping
Somehow
into the
down here in
AO.
like half a second.
Yeah,
He's above you, Tassie.
ground blue LMGs are done. I'm trying to get to you, Tassie. Don't worry. I'm near you.
One of
Tassie,
your
you broke the
allies is
shield.
back
Down
in
him.
the
I'm
game.
coming. I'm coming.
Down though, bro.
Oh, you get him?
Oh, it's a team of
Gas is
two.
inbound.
I'm lagging.
I cracked the shield. I
Backing
cracked the
over.
shield.
I'm lagging. What the?
They got me.
Boom! I can't do anything. I'm lagging.
I'm back.
Hey! I literally can't do nothing. My area is so
everybody
dog.
You aren't done yet.
What is happening, bro? It's never this bad.
Give me my gun back.
I don't know. I don't know what's happening. You're not
Bro,
the only
oh
one.
my
Enemy
god.
dropping into the AO.
I feel like I'm finna die. Oh, someone's about to land on us.
I'm taking.
Enemy
internet am I
UAV
taking?
active.
Drew, you have the...
I don't want your internet. Oh, see, I don't want your internet.
Yeah, I just kinda...
I can't...
Whoa, I thought.
Bro, they're so
Everything
mad.
feels so laggy. I can't do anything like this. So mad that they changed their language.
Bro, I am popping off. 9 kills, bro. I'm just farming.
Bro, because I'm lagging. I can't do anything. Yes, that's the only excuse, because I
Loadout drop
can't
headed your way.
move normally for like
I already
2
have a 10
seconds.
bomb. 10 bombs.
10 bomb. Is it really doing anything?
I just got jumped. Oh no, your buddy did. Oh no.
Drew, I got one. Drew, I got one. Drew, I got one. I literally, I cracked his plates.
I don't think that that's a good idea.
He has a Psychov.
Drew?
Oh, that guy has a
You should be very
Psychov.
careful.
Oh, please don't do that.
Oh, I cracked his shit. How? Alright, we're abandoning that place. We're
Oh.
abandoning that place.
lucky.
Why are you Why are we
We are abandoning
abandoning
that
it?
place. I don't care.
Yeah, that place is that's basically useless.
Well, this is how you're gonna die,
Yeah,
bro.
I've already farmed my kills there. I've already farmed my kills. There's someone camping there.
I'm gonna go get
Oh,
loadout.
but you're gonna get his kill. Okay, nice, fun.
If you go
I
down
was
now,
very
operation is over.
That was
Watch
so
your six.
unfortunate, right when I...
Why didn't
Squad
you just go
member
to loadout
is
and grab it?
I thought that people were grabbing it. to be
Why would
honest.
they can't loadout right now? Oh, well, you were
Oh
right.
my god, bro.
Oh, this kid
what
has
did I
gas.
say?
This kid has gas.
What did I say, bro?
I downed him. There's no way.
Squad
I
member
killed him
is
when he had
redeploying.
the advantage to kill me. Like, nah, but like, for real, he had the advantage just to kill me. But I just headshot him, bro.
First one to use it
Keep
ever,
moving
bro.
forward.
Oh my, why? Your car 98K is OP, bro.
Found a new gun.
But, like,
found a new gun.
Boys, wait. I have a new marksman rifle that you guys, or no, it's a new sniper, I guess you could say.
Enemy mark.
I'm pretty sure it's a sniper.
Hostile dropping into
But
the
it is
area.
OP. You
Watch
should try
the
it.
skies.
I actually just killed a guy.
He had a PPHS too, or he had an MP40. And he missed all his shots. What the heck?
I did miss.
Dude, this guy was killing me. I tried to get
Losing
loadout.
ground.
He
Move
had
it.
so many advantages just to kill me.
Engaging hostile.
We got this
That's
other
the
C.
guy I killed, bro. That's the guy who I made mad. That's the guy who I hurt but didn't kill. I made him really mad.
Squad member is redeploying.
Bro, LBC is going off, bro.
12 kids.
His luck is
I'm
so.
actually going off. I know.
His luck is getting way more better. Why?
If he dropped the 20 before Percy, bro.
If he does, then I'm
Bro,
going
I'm
to
telling you.
leave.
I mean, I was on the road with a 20 bomb. Ow, never mind.
You're on the run to
He's
death.
just... Yeah, can someone help me?
This thing. Contact.
How? He's. Oh, I got him. Finish him. Don't res me. Oh, God, you made the worst decision. Oh, you made the worst decision.
I'm crawling. I'm just crawling. I see him.
Tracking him.
Oh,
They're
where?
really
Working that
close.
mofo.
I'm tracking him.
Thank you. You're my hero and
Gas
savior.
inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Hey, can you be my hero and savior?
Enemy dropping into the AO. Buy station costs are adjusted.
Yo, someone's right there. Kill him. Downed him. Yo, someone's all over here. On me, on me.
Eyes on top.
You go grab my loadout.
Got him.
Good job. Fucking bozo. Fucking a bozo. Fork. I'm taking some of your armor stacks too.
Thank you for taking all my armor
Stay
stuff.
vigilant. Surgeon's window is about to
I want
close.
mine.
How
That's
is there a
back.
car inside
Fork
of
on
here?
that boy. Fork on that
Instead of
boy.
where? And that?
There's an ATV in here, bro.
Prices are back to normal.
Someone's probably trying to troll. And I would join
Bro,
them.
Drew's doing nothing, bro.
Not my
You're
fault.
not
I was.
popping off. You're
Oh,
not
I did save
popping
you.
off.
Like, think how many times I saved you, bro.
True.
2 times. I mean, 1 time.
3 times. And you only saved me once, so theoretically, that's a positive.
I mean, you're not even.
And I saved Tossie. I've been saving her
Moving
so far.
ground. Move it.
Yeah,
You get all those kills after I got like 90% of them low and stuff.
Nah, fam.
Oh,
Only
it's not 90%. The Groza looks godly.
Bozo.
How did I not hit him?
Killed him. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's because I'm lagging.
I'm lagging. Ah, man, I'm lagging.
Tango.
Got one.
Hit him once.
Crack the shield.
Back one place. Back one place. Oh, what is happening?
Most of their places, they're probably scared. Now we can do it.
What is happening right now?
And they're. Ow, he did me. Ow.
Aw, fuck one plate. Bro, where's that other kid come from, bro?
Oh,
Drew behind you. I said it like 50 times. Behind you. I said behind you like 50
Where's your
times.
guy behind me, in front of me, all around?
Well, that's why you didn't. You weren't supposed to rush.
Not my fault. Look how much
What do you
damage I
mean
did.
it's not your fault? You're the one controlling
and
the
I still
control
didn't
rate.
get any kills.
Drew, you have only 770 points to score. You're scoring 770.
I could have, like, legit, if it's 100 health per kill, or if it's 250 if you have full shield, I freaking could kill 80 guys.
Decided to give each team their own set of perks and disadvantages.
I'm fine.
Also select the ability
He's so
dramatically or by force.
chips.
Oh, and also
Chips.
service and hard
Hold on,
mode,
wait.
which means everyone has only one die. Once civilization 4, one weapon not exposed. Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh, I love you, baby. You know it's quite alright. I miss you, baby.
I would like to thank our partners for Poet Pussy for making this possible, and also all the...
Everybody need to be quiet in this game. Hold on, wait. Everybody.
That's it, start.
Can I? What is this?
Everything started with releasing players.
No seasoning on these.
Practice while you can.
So fun.
I tried it out and
Yo, you guys should. You guys have to try. You guys have to go to sniper rifles and try the Pellington. You guys have to try the Pellington. That's way more better than the Car 98K because it's so it destroys.
dude,
That gun is like I'm pretty sure more people use the Pellington now. Way more people use the Pellington than the car. I think. How am I hitting my shots? There you go.
I got contact.
Oh my! Did you just see that flick?
Enemy soldier nearby.
no, I think it's a front of you. I think it's better here.
Kind of weird how you just let him kill you. I'm lagging so bad I can't even shoot correctly. I'm physically disabled.
This guy is OP. You gotta try his out.
Practice is over.
He's using the red
It's
room.
an AR.
Red room isn't that good. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's pretty
the
good,
Milo.
but
Alright,
it's not that good.
try out the Rosa.
Yeah, the damage on that like sucks, but
Okay.
but the FPS is awesome.
It doesn't even have
Resurgence.
like the air strike.
Gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Pop
Fallen allies will redeploy as long as you remain alive. Earn points to bring them back to the action.
Your name is
front.
Poppy? Yo, is your name Poppy, bro?
How did I get no money, bro? What the?
All
Oh my god!
How'd you die?
I accidentally fell in the water even though I went to the right.
R.I.P. water. Elbow.
R.I.P.
water. water, bro. We gotta make a diss track song. We have to make a diss track song on water.
Resurging. Go
Why?
get your
I'm not
revenge.
going over there, bro. I'm gonna come over here in the living quarters.
There's no
I
one
remember.
here.
We gotta make a diss track.
Drew, remember last time, bro?
Yeah, last time. That's not this time right now.
Yeah.
Enemy UAV
It's happened like 3 times.
Yes or no?
Oh yeah, where everybody pushes us for some reason.
Yeah, for literally just for
Oh,
kills.
LJC, here's my money. LJC, come here, come here.
Give me your money! Let's go, let's go!
Oh, you guys are about to get loaded? I'm coming.
I want my money. I want my money. I want my money. There's your money. Here's your money. Here's your money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Tossie's coming. Like,
Throwing tear
I ain't
gas.
going there, y'all. Y'all about to get loaded out? Hey, side note.
Enemy
I
UAV
don't know what that was. I have to like,
Drone your way.
But do not know where it is.
Booty.
They kill me. I'm hot.
What are y'all doing over there?
Oh my
This
God.
is a Groza. Look at the Groza.
Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is OPAF. This is way more better than that Car 98K of yours.
Me and him are both using the same skin for the Car 98K.
Bro, look at this skin. It's Christmas time, even though it's close to summer.
Look at my, bro,
Literally,
look at my
it's literally
primary.
about to be summer break because you're wearing a Christmas skin. Bro, I'm so, bro, if you can do that, then I'm
Okay, say, take us in the thing.
Wait, what?
Get the thing.
Oh, coming in! There's people downstairs!
It failed.
Run attack.
My thing kind of failed.
Holy
Wow, this
moly,
thing
everybody just killed.
Thing doesn't even
Enemy
have
dropping
any
into the
ammo.
AO.
I'm not gonna worry about any.
Not even gonna talk about that. Thank you.
Squad wipe.
50 people on me.
Coming. Finish?
I got 121, 21, 21, 27, 27.
What? Where are these people coming from?
Where are these kids coming from?
Bro, I can't do it. I'm more better at solos than this game. Trios and I'm better at new duos or solos.
Y'all know that there's a loadout right there and we're going for it.
I know that.
Drew, you can make it.
No! Oh my god, we got so lucky.
So much
That's wrong time, brother.
Make it mean something.
Oh, yes, landing zone. Bro, you legit know how lucky we are?
Oh no.
Watch the skies.
Oh, he's down there.
Thanks for stealing the kill.
Really? The game spawns me like a billion miles away from y'all?
Now, working your
25
favorite
remain.
journey, huh?
Solid work so far.
from your teammates.
Where are you going, huh? Where are you going?
Ganze last.
There's a helicopter, by the way.
Tracking him.
I just want to make that clear.
Sam, I really just want to shoot him, but I can't, because I'm just going to waste your ammo.
LJC season 2.
Armed mobile. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the
Down
skies.
How is he even hitting me? I'm behind the thing. Bro, this is why I hate this game, bro.
I know, bro. I'm hopping. I'm hopping, bro. I don't know how to get to you, bro.
Shots into his face. Not hit him once.
Oh, great. People have UAVs now. That's wonderful.
Me and Josh are gonna have to do some stuff though. Do something. Because we physically can't win right now. You're kind of far away. We don't have loadout. We need loadout if we want to win.
You're gonna find the
Yeah.
Gas is right on your tail.
That's a fact.
We're gonna respawn.
Reinforcements are on the way.
You're gonna respawn with a decent
This is
gun.
the AKU. No. We got crash guns. We need to spawn us a good gun.
It's decent.
It's a pistol. A pistol is always decent. It's better than nothing. Legit. So. Oh, mister, I don't know. I'm getting
Well, I can't see.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Sighted on top.
OJ, I'm coming to you. OJC.
I can't do anything right now. I'm kind of being shot by someone. I'm kind of being wounded by
The
someone.
enemy
I
won
can't
this
really
battle.
help you at this
We'll
moment.
be back to finish the war.
LJC, you could have still killed the guy.
Oh my gosh, now you're
I'll
all
see.
about, oh my god, this is
I could have killed him,
Then
but I got killed. I got shot in the back.
How was I the one that... physically can't play.
Wanna play Battle Royale?
What? We're not playing Battle Royale.
God.
Okay, I'm gonna try this gun out. Very decent.
Oh, let's go. What is this new skin I got?
Not decent, I'm sorry. Problems.
The Groza is good.
Problems if it ain't good. Man, we gonna have some problems. We gonna have some problems, dude.
Some good chips. I do a little hit. Oh, these are some good chips. Oh, my pinky.
Gotta get in.
Enemy soldier nearby.
Gotta get in bed with a soldier. Wait, what?
Wait, no, bro. What did you just...
Enough training.
He's becoming
Now
Michael
you fight
Jackson,
a
bro.
real
What are you
enemy.
talking about?
Bro, oh my god, what?
What? That's what Michael Jackson did.
Everybody go. Everybody go.
Resurgence.
Okay, we're done.
Everybody go.
Gas is closing in.
Prison block.
Proceed to the safe zone.
No.
Prison block, prison block,
Liv
prison block,
and your
prison block,
KIA
prison block.
teammates will
Prison
redeploy.
block, prison block.
Are we gonna go prison? Oh, hold on, wait, actually that's on. Tomorrow.
Kill all targets.
What is happening?
Enemy soldier nearby.
I know. You just said no. Whenever poor ass. Huh?
Don't let me get cut. But Michael Jackson. No. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. No, please.
Hey, now
Enemy UAV
Oh, I'm
active.
about to fight people.
hey there, little boy. You want to try out
How is he not dead? I shot him like 100 times in the balls. Focus on that faggot in the back.
You shot him in the balls, not in the mouth.
Well, what?
Nice camping shield, of course he is. Yeah, of course he is. Ugh. He literally had a pride banner, Nom.
Do better this time.
Oh, he died. I'm James Charles. Remember James Charles?
Can you shut up?
Reinforcements are on the way.
You are dead. I just killed one.
Got one? Teach me the ways. Where's the
You've got a
guy?
second chance. Make it count.
Where the guy said I was camping whenever I just killed from him? I'm going for R.I.P.
You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until others redeploy. One of your allies is
Yeah,
back
I'll
in
try to
the
do
game.
better this time. Try to do better this time. Or you die. Oh my god. Or get beamed out of
One of your
there.
allies is back in the game.
Bro, how does this dude have weak legs? Dude has
You've got gas moving in.
Purple MP40, I would be really happy.
Oh, you're floating.
That's even
You're
better.
gone.
Well, not really. But I mean, the stupid gun that I have.
Bro, did you hear my character? He said, please F off.
Please.
Oh?
F off.
Like I saved your life. Got a free last sniper rifle.
Okay. I did the worst decision. I couldn't even go in there. I made the worst decision ever.
I want to put
That was
like an
really
actual
dumb.
sniper.
And
Like the best Car 98 loadout there is physically possible in the game.
Give me your money.
I downed 2 of them.
Give me your money.
I killed 2 of them.
Give me your.
Sir, stop chasing me.
Give me your money, Drew.
I don't want the money.
Hey, give me your money.
How? Here's the money.
Mark target for strike.
I told you.
Put them
Can't make me
Is that a
rush.
teammate? Is that a
Your
teammate?
squad.
There's a guy entering.
No, buddy.
Alright, if I only actually get a different gun than that.
Bro, I accidentally picked up another gun on accident.
Just send him home.
Resurgence. Go get your revenge. Get to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Ow! He only got a pistol.
He's almost dead. I touched his plates. I touched his plates.
Holy sniper!
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
How are you not
Allied Allied cluster strike arrived.
Keep him away from
You've got a
me.
second chance.
Keep
Make
him
it
away
count.
from me. I'm coming.
Oh, mama.
Ow. No, I want the precision airstrike. Who's sniping? I don't know.
I have no idea, but it's getting annoying.
Oh, there you are. Posse, I think you gotta do what you do best to get killed.
Bro, where's he shooting me at from, bro?
Don't be saying I'm done
It's
yet.
right when I say that too. I think what you gotta do, I think you have to do what you do best. Wait, where is this? He's not there. Oh, what the frick? I can't even see them, but I can see me. Oh god,
Yeah,
I hear
dude.
gunshots. Oh god. Posse, I'm coming. Yo, these guys aren't even open.
Oh, they're camping on the other side. Watch out, they're camping all the way on the other side.
Oh, see him.
He's right. But I started popping off at the arrow.
No, he's like right.
No, there's more than one. Bro, that freaking gun I had, bro, that was godly, bro. Like, you ain't killing me, you ain't killing this. You ain't killing me,
SC-1 member is redeploying.
you know you want some, but you can't have none.
What the heck?
I'm in your face.
Drew, I can't hear, bro. Oh my god.
I like shoot him in the head where stop being so loud.
Why y'all so loud,
Say
bro?
you can't hear him if I could hear him easily, but
Yeah, I can't hear him because you're just screaming in your mind.
He. You're not the one that hears he all day.
Okay? Yeah, you're screaming in the mic, bro. In the mic.
In my house, it's not like I have ears or anything.
You have headphones on, so you can basically not hear yourself.
I'll punch you again. I'll do the hee-hee.
Then I'll leave. No.
This is your favorite song, though.
No. Oh wait, that one. Oh yeah. Fuck my union. Dark time. Best song of 2020.
You loved it?
Best song in 2022.
Use this time to train a bit. We'll be deploying soon.
Oh no! Hey, Crossy, I'm meeting a fourth choke.
Whoa.
Bro, you gotta try the girls Crossy. It's godly.
No, I really don't wanna.
What do you mean? You haven't tried it yet?
No, I really don't care about it.
I'll use the gun you're using if you tell me and you have to
Nope.
use my gun. I'm using.
Nope.
What gun are you using though?
Enough
FFAR.
training. Now you
Sniper.
fight a real enemy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like the Groza.
You don't like the Groza. Yeah, that's good. Grow? What do you mean, bro? It's beans, kid.
Why do you being the way to the skin, bro?
Bro, I'm just eating the force coke, alright?
Poppy, what happened to your skin, bro?
What do you mean?
Sometimes if you have bad internet connection, that's what.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the internet sucks, dog.
What the freak, bro? Okay, not this one. Not this one. No, not this pistol. This pistol is actually godly and bad at the same time.
Primary objective.
Oh, no, it's actually
is to
pretty good.
eliminate all enemies.
Actually, really good.
Attack.
Best pistol in the game.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
6. You gonna come? Aww.
Hey, y'all wanna come over here? I have everything legit.
Frail drone? Stop the cat.
Please! I don't
Oh, even
please.
death?
He's right here. Shoot him! before I die.
Shoot that mole! You blew up my fucking crate!
That's why you don't use a finisher
How
every
is that
time.
pistol so good? That pistol sucks freaking badly. It's so good that it sucks. Like nobody wants to play against that.
You're bad.
Light skin. You're a light skin, huh?
Bro, what the freak, bro? You're so hypocritical, bro.
What do you mean
I'm
white so
hypocritical?
I can say that?
Getting hostile soldier nearby.
He's pushing this right now.
Hey, thanks for stealing my kill, bro.
He's behind me! Bro, why are all these guys just rushing us?
I don't know, but I'm just killing them all, bro.
There's
Free
people
kills,
bro.
bro. That's gonna get a 20
They're just getting free kills.
Yeah, bro, we're just actively.
He's low as more of us drop in as every second.
7, 9, 10, 27.
Send them. Send them in.
Move, 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 so much,
I
much, much.
need a higher KD. I need a higher KD.
I wanna drop that 20 bomb.
I'm trying to get higher KD.
This guy just got lasered.
That kid
Yes,
is
fire on the Got your request.
What the heck?
Don't worry, I can do it.
Revive me.
Hey, I have aimbot.
Reporting.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you to epic games for
Your dude ain't gonna work on me. Bossy, I got him down. I'm downed him.
Oh, he's all the way over there.
He has the dude.
I don't really care about the distance.
Eyes on hostile.
Thank you. Revive.
Where's the doofus? Give me that other one back. Give me that other back. Oh, no, you can have it.
Oh my god, we're just
Their
farming kills
teammates are
every
coming.
play.
Their teammates are coming. I know that for a
That's
fact.
kind of good because we can just farm kills from them.
I know. Trust me. When I looked on the mini map and it pinged their teammates when I killed them. Whew. Did not know.
We all have a kill.
There's someone in the truck.
Yeah, I can see. He's just sitting there though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah.
Oh, behind me! Oh, these guys are gonna be so mad.
How? How? Both? How? No, for real, how?
LGC, you have it, LGC, you have it, LGC, why would you turn around?
We'll come back stronger next time. Only 25
What did I do
left.
wrong
Keep
there?
moving forward.
I don't even.
You turned around, that's what you did.
Turned around.
You could have killed him. You were facing the wrong way. You were legit
they would've
facing the
killed
wrong
me.
way.
They would have killed me.
No,
right
you were
on. I
him
was trying to
solo,
run.
and your butt
I was trying
didn't
to
want to
run,
face the
bro.
right way. You could have hit him one time, and he would have been hurt way worse than if you didn't face.
Alright. Cool, bro. Let's see how you would do it. This is water, bro.
Oh, more chips. I forgot I'm streaming. Why'd it go so quiet? Bruh.
Oh, man. For some reason, I was really curious with how fast this actually
Practice
was.
while you can. You'll be entering the...
In 2 days. First, the distance between me and some point. Second, only the time it takes us to get there, which in this case comes out to be 49 frames. And at 60 frames per second. second. That's roughly 0.82 seconds. Now we simply divide the distance by the time. That number means nothing to you, so proportionally that's 2,300
Enemy soldier
miles per hour,
nearby.
which happens to be faster than the world's fastest fighter jet. But even more interesting than the speed, the acceleration is instantaneous. Taking roughly 6 frames or 1/10 of a second to accelerate to our maximum velocity. That means that this is over 1,000 forces of acceleration, or 5 times more
I'm
G's than
Goku.
any
He
human
missed
has
all the
ever survived.
shots.
For reference, here's that crash. That crash was 214 G's. He actually survived. You've been playing Apex, haven't you? All night. Spoiler alert, by the way. There are these 2 little squishy grubs, and I don't know what to them. They're consumed by their grubfather, as it means for them to metamorphosize into grubber flies.
Preparation's done.
However, a grubber fly. Well, throughout Hollowness, we see that bugs like winged forms and winged centuries sound female, while the wingless forms sound male. This could mean the grub species.
Hello? Are y'all alive? Are you alive? Are you dead?
I'm ending the stream. I'm done.